Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create curved text in Canva. I'm already in my design, so I go to the text section and click on add a heading. You can also press the letter T on your keyboard to add text. Then you need to type something. I am typing my channel name, easy to learn yourself. And then I go to effects and choose curve. And then you need to scroll down a little bit and you will see that you can move the slider. If you move the slider all the way to the left, your text curves upwards. And if you move the slider all the way to the right, your text curves downwards. This is how you create curved text. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you.